What did you make on that assignment fee?
$25,000. The other one was $100,000.
I'm here with Nelly Dawson. Just got her first deal. What's up?
Hey, Nate.
You just did your first deal for $40,000, right?
Yeah, man. Yep.
Does it feel real?
No, not at all.
Man, you just got another deal, right? You just got paid.
I did. I got paid. I did it in a way that is not as common, a little bit more of a painless way I got it done.
First wholesale deal?
It was my first wholesale deal.
How much did you make on that wholesale deal?
Close to $17,500.
Dude, you just want to get the first one across the finish line, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
How much did you make on it?
10K on this one.
We actually were able to do a deal together.
Yes, it was our first deal.
Oh, Joe, is that your first deal we did together
Yes.
that we
Yeah,
closed on?
Yep.
It was his biggest deal he's done yet.
It was It was a miracle.
And I just got my wire for $7,600, and you just picked up your check yesterday.
Check.
How much was it?
11,400.
I just found you, God given. Monday, I had a deal sold, and it ended up being a $6,000 spread, which we split.
Is that the first one you did?
Second.
He just got his first wholesale deal. Henry, what is up, dude?
What's up, Nathan? Thank you for having me.
Did you get the money sent? I sent it to you. Did you get it?
Yes, I am.
How does that feel?
It feels wonderful.
Oh, Justin, he made $17,200.
Your approach to the business. I really resonated with that. So, I stole some of your stuff, of course, and I implemented it into my business. And
I've already locked up 2 deals, and we're going to make well into the 6 figures. To get my second deal, a 5K off the deal. Nathan Payne, I appreciate you, brother.
Working with Nate was fantastic.
It was super helpful the whole way through.
I definitely recommend these guys. They just helped me get my first deal.
Closed the whole job, and I'm getting a paycheck. Pretty happy about it.
These guys are super attentive. If you have a question, they'll answer it same day.
Now we're consistently doing about 5 to 8 deals a month on average. 3 wires coming in today.
You think you could have figured it out yourself?
I 100% know that this deal would not have gone through had I not had your assistance.
Or stop the seller from not working with them. Is that kind of what happened?
Exactly what happened. You saved my deal.
The way you break things down makes sense. So I would recommend anyone that's just starting out, if you don't have a mentor, honestly, I would highly recommend Nathan.
Quick to respond. He is knowledgeable, and he's just always happy to help.
Nate goes above and beyond for people like me. He usually gets on calls, FaceTimes. He does whatever he has to do to make sure you're successful. So go check him out. Nate Payne, the man, the myth, the legend.